Secondly, I am a young person and I believe it's high time we embrace technical skills because they pay more than these suits we are wearing. It's about wewe kujipanga. I don't want to be long on this, but thank you for your family and giving back to the community in such a way. The security agencies, the DCC and your people, we want to appreciate because you have supported this cause and for making sure that we are safe. Abantu baminto ba esise ngona indo koira Professor Nyamwange ne family ya Kiara ai mukyoko bwo banye tobu atienda mwa mutokare ga Professor Nyamwange bia mole na kitako mote ako ile ngumbu. Asante. So somehow for this one, and I've seen it very subsidized, renta abana basomoro ingokorera amalieta Joel Ombongi yangao ekerango etingoroko nchomo MCA obokera ward iga gabonante nina ninkande omubaka Samuel Ogutu omosa moina oyo opposite meche school no mwawatatu kuna to kwana iga my father no ara nere kuna iwo mubero benka morenta igo tindinka igo kimurankune mwarango mwakuna Osebana. Thank you. I don't have much to say. Your Excellency, thank you for finding time to come and grace this. It is part of our development agenda. Abantu baminto siasa tuaranyitiga karata ko ibintu bune. Nduta ete tuskebune county asenchere ndeons. Muntu gachirene karenga libuneke eto komosira era agendere guskabuna abantu. Wow. Bali bande babwate siasa iska aseke busi nkuneregere abantu abaminto bamumbu bayibo aseke gusi oyo bwato bote bwoko nyoma no muto magende gusigana yo monyi gwete mondo bwate bote bwoko nyoma natumu gusigana yo monyi gwete mbaro bali bwato bote bwoko nyoma gabano batomire genda musigane bayikirari baunjoye omukungu wabiro yawo ndo banchere etoko baura kwa nguvu gabana etachabo ko nguvuga igabana kuoga abuna ento mwetenga itoko babeka wetani abo. I don't have much. I appreciate. I've also come and met this one on my seat, Prof. This is a lead student kitty form. I may not be very rich to give it in form of dollars, but I can give it in Kenyan shillings. I've given 5,000 to this course so that one student can benefit. I'm a product of well-wishers. I'm a product of the community. And if I do this, one day my child will also be assisted. Thank you. May God bless you.